Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix brightness slider isn't working in Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. If you are using Galaxy S24 FE and you're facing the issue that you are sliding or you're using this slider but your brightness is not increasing or decreasing or your this slider isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to go ahead to your settings, scroll down, go to software update, click on check for updates and make sure that you're connected to the internet to check for your software updates here. So sometimes it might be that there will be any pending software update or any software update is on installing. So you might see these type errors or these type glitch, but if your software is up to date but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your device. Now to make a force restart, you have to press and hold the volume down and power button at the same time for almost 5 to 15 seconds. So it might take almost 5 to 15 seconds to see a black screen. And here once you see the black screen, just wait for Samsung logo. Once you get Samsung logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So once your phone has been restarted, you just have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So just try to up- unlock your phone, and once you've locked your phone, you have to retry. So once you have fully restarted, your phone might have some lag in startup, so it might take up to 10 to 15 seconds to refresh. And once it's done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.